What is the rank of India in the world in terms of potato production? Answer C. 5th. What is the per capita daily availability of milk in India? Answer D. 252 grams. When was the Intensive Agriculture District Program started? Answer A. 1960 to 1961. Promotion of multinational companies in India is to be promoted. Answer D. All these. Nepanagar in Madhya Pradesh is famous for. Answer D. Newsprint industry. Which state ranks first in the country in the production of cement? Answer C. Rajasthan. When was the first industrial policy announced in India? Answer C. 6th April 1948. How many public sector undertakings are in the category of Navratnas? Answer D. 18. The state of India which contributes the maximum in the production of food grains. Answer B. Uttar Pradesh. Where is the headquarters of the National Farmer Industry located? Answer A. New Delhi. Which state is the largest producer of soybean in India? Answer C. Madhya Pradesh. Second green revolution will be related to. Answer C. Using biotechnology. What is the determinant of maximum support price? Answer A. Agriculture cost and price commission. Does the federal budget receive maximum income from? Answer C. Excise duty. Zero-based budgeting technology was adopted for the first time in India in which state? Answer A. Andhra Pradesh. Which type of chemical fertilizer is consumed the most in India? Answer A. Nitrogenous. Bharat Nirman Yojana is related to. Answer A. Settlement development. The year in which the first industrial policy of independent India was announced was. Answer B. 1948. When was the Steel Authority of India Limited established? Answer C. 1974. In which of the following industrial policies small scale industries were given more emphasis? Answer C. 1977 industrial policy. Which of the following generally does not come under the category of permanent industry? Answer C. Small vehicle industry. The new national agriculture policy is described as. Answer D. Rainbow Revolution. When were the Kisan Call Center and Krishi Channel launched? Answer D. Jan 2004. At present, the largest nationalized enterprise in India is. Answer A. Indian Railways. Which crop is mainly related to Green Revolution? Answer D. Wheat. The number of agroecological zones in India is. Answer C. 20. The highest contribution in the total taxable income of the Government of India is. Answer C. Central Excise Tax. The financial year of India begins at answer D 1st April. Which of the following cities will set up India's first e-waste recycling unit? Answer B Bengaluru. The person to be appointed as chairman of the National Planning Committee was answer A Jawaharlal Nehru. Who prepared the draft of the People's Plan? Answer D MNU. When was the National Planning Committee established? Answer A 1938. On which date did economic planning start in India? Answer A 1st April 1951. Whose responsibility is to prepare the 5-year plan? Answer D Planning Commission.